Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark, and today sucks. Okay, guys, what I wanted to do today is install the bumper. And well, I thought, well, maybe I should put the light in because you've seen that one, so there's no need to show you the other one. Well, that didn't go to plan because this is the light bulb of the headlight. And well, one thing is for sure, it needs a repaint. The damn thing didn't fit, so I had to change some parts. Don't ask me why doesn't it fit, why didn't it fit, because it fitted when you took it off. Well, the reality is the headlight was quite broken. um, there was a lot of plaster on it. It was like, maybe I have a picture. If I have, then you should have seen it right now. Yeah, okay. If not, then this was a stupid moment. But um, well, you know what I think? This headlight had some major damage in the past. In 1987, when the car was crashed, probably this headlight was a victim. So the bracket inside was all messed up. Was a bad repair, I admit that one. Um, so we straightened it out, and I had to adjust a little bit. I think I have it now, but a lot of things needed to be changed to get it fitted. And well, the the housing just, I couldn't get it together. It just, and as you can see closely, the paint just came off because it just didn't fit. And in the end, what I did, I just finished it. I had to cut a little corner. Oh, sorry. I had to cut a little corner over here and a little corner over here just to get this piece in. And well, it needs to be easy to remove because that piece, you need to take it off, take the light bulb out to change the lamp itself out to change the light bulb. But this sucks because now it's damaged, and now I'm still again feeling very frustrated. Um, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna just put it back together, put it in the car, and then install the bumper. And then we'll see at the paint shop what we're gonna do, because this needs to be repainted or something. Uh, I couldn't help it. It's just, it sucks. I figured when we got the car out, dismantled, it seemed to fit. So I figured, well, it's going to be okay. But somehow, and maybe it's because of the paint, I don't know. But it didn't. It sucks, and I'm frustrated. Eh.
2 hours later.
No matter what I do, somehow it just doesn't fit. The mother thing just doesn't fit. And the worst thing is the screws damaged the paint of the car. So another damage to be repaired. And now when you open it, it touches the body. So you can't open it without damage. So free. You know what? I always said that in 1987, when this car was damaged, they did a pretty good repair, but they fucked up the headlight. It must have been then that they fucked up the headlight. And now I'm gonna solve it, but I don't know why, and I don't know how. And oh man, fucking annoying. So, it's time to go to bed, because simply, boop, you can't see anything. I'm tired, so I'm starting to making starting to make more mistakes, damage more parts probably. Yeah, so I'm gonna quit for today and continue tomorrow. Well guys, I took my time, think about this one. What am I going to do to solve my headlight problem? And after a few days I came to realize that I probably have to adjust something in the main bracket. To recap what's going on, the most important part we already solved. That's the fact that this headlight shield didn't fit anymore. I had to cut it open, remove some corners to get it fitted easily, because you need to take this one off to change the light bulb. And if that's a problem, then the damage I caused will be there every time you need to remove the headlight bucket. That's one. That one is solved. The other is that the screws and the space is so tight that this hole is smaller, handmade, than that size of that hole on the other side. And somehow, I don't know, I never checked that because it worked. Before we took it apart, it worked. But that means that this screw over here, where is it? This one touches the bodywork and already caused a scratch. I removed the bolt, and well, maybe we need another bolt or something. But second problem is that the headlight is a little bit like this. So it's a little bit too much inward. And if you look at this, you probably can't see, but this size, this shield piece touches the bodywork. So you hear that, and don't be scared. There's enough tape to and when you put it in like this, then you also see that it's a little bit, this one is perfect, but yeah, you need a little adjustment. So I figured, oh, you can't see. So I figured now I'm back in the normal state again, that I had to move the bracket a little bit backwards. And in order to do so, we have to take it all apart again and create a little space in the bracket so we can adjust it. So that is what we're going to do right now. And I don't like it, but it needs to be done. Like Eminem once said, success is our only option, failure not. We did it. It's a little bit rough when it comes down, but I think when the bracket that does it is in, it will work. And the big problem is we have to take it apart to get it painted, but at least it is working and we now know that it's fixed. What happened, of what I have discovered, is that, and there's a difference between this side and that side. Probably because of the damage in the past. You learn something new every day. But the main bracket that holds the headlight, on that side it's fixed, but you can move the main bracket. Here the main bracket is fixed, but there's a upright part over here that you can unbolt and move. And I never realized that that was a possibility. So all that headache, all the damage, just because this side is different than that side, and I only took pictures of that side when dismantling it. And I figured it was just because of the damage in the past. Well, problem solved. So I'm gonna put the grill in, fix the headlight. So when we're gonna put the electric on, we can test them. I am going to remove the screws, replace them in the future, but not now. I'm gonna do that on a different moment. But I feel like it's better to have a little less, yeah, how do you call it? Have them a little bit less coming out. There are you, there are you. So, and I'm not, I have to do some adjustments, but she's in, she's ready. And the car's dirty. So the first thing I'm gonna do when I'm gonna finish it, I'm gonna take her out, I'm gonna give her a good wash. Who would have thought? We did it! Oh my god. It's in, the grill's in, the headlight is in. Maybe we need some more adjustment, but for now, I'm pretty happy. First thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish it all up and then get the current on, the battery on, and then we're gonna see what happens. And probably after that, we need to do some adjustment. Yeah. Well, very difficult than I wanted to film today. I wanted to get the bumper in, but instead we got stuck with a headlight. I think it's interesting for you to see what drama you find when you're working on a car. But the real lesson here is never give up. If it doesn't work, quit, wait, think about it, start over again. That's my lesson. And it will cost me money because this one needs to be painted again. But hell, that's part of the fun. Fun, okay. I want to thank you for watching. See you again next time and goodbye.